We are at TIMTOS 2025. I'm sitting along with Mr. Phani Raj from AIEMA, the forthcoming edition of ACMEE, which is going to be held from 19th until 23rd June 2025. What is the special focus area in manufacturing industry?
See, this time ACMEE is actually the theme is beyond smart manufacturing. So all these days it was about the smart manufacturing, but this time we are looking into the technology which we are going to bring in. It's going to be a beyond smart manufacturing. So basically, if you see, we have a concurrent show called Tech 2025, which is mainly focused on robotics and automation. So today the buzz in the manufacturing industry is about the robotics and the automation. So certainly this time ACMEE, I think we're going to deliver to the manufacturing industry with best of the technologies coming from all over the world.
People are mostly speaking about AI, very specifically generative AI. Whoever manufactures the machines, they themselves develop generative AI to give a finest of result in terms of precision, in terms of manufacturing. How far we are attempting to address generative AI at the time of ACMEE?
It's a very good question, actually. See, basically, still people, especially I'm talking about in India, doesn't have much of a knowledge about generative AI, and that too specifically for MSMEs, who can not really afford, because they feel that they cannot afford to this kind of a technology. But thanks to IIT, Madras, which they have come up with a lot of research and developments on this. Automation, generative automation especially, and which they wanted to give it to the industry. So this time we have an association with IIT Madras, and we are doing 2 days international conference on these subjects, which will be, I can say that open the doors, even to the small and I can say even micro, these manufacturers can avail this kind of automation which is available in the market.
Speaking of automation, robotics, what kind of attendance you are expecting? What kind of I should not spell it as kind of who are going to be the key speakers at the time of robotics conference?
The key speakers we are looking from first the academicians and plus also from the industry.
Okay.
So keynote speakers, we are also getting somebody from Japan and from US and Germany, because this is the means where we can really have a lot of research being done on automation and robotics. And plus also, of course, from the industry also we have a lot of good speakers available. So we were just working on that, and probably I think in a due course we want to finalize on the speakers.
How many participants are there?
Yeah, this time we have around 500 plus exhibitors, and of course this time we have more than 45% of new exhibitors, and that too which has come up in the farming technology also. So this time we are going to add all kinds of I can say the product presentation in the ACMEE, which is going to be directly useful to the manufacturing industry. So definitely, since we have a very good participation, so they are going to promote the ACMEE for the visitors. I think definitely we are looking somewhere around 45,000-50,000 visitors over a 5-day exhibition.
Any specific company which you can probably speak of in virtual reality or augmented reality or robotics or automation? Which are the major companies who are going to be present?
No, we are actually having. See, I can say that, of course, taking any company names, definitely we have people who are there, these technologies, they're going to be present in their stalls. Especially you can see one of the main sponsors like Shunk is there, and we have AMS, and we have LMW. Definitely these people are already, adopting, the automation in the machinery technology. So definitely, as a separate thing, we are expecting some of the good participants like coming from Epson, and we have Ulster, who are majorly into robotics and automation. So we have a very good participation, because we have a lot of companies coming from simulations. Those companies are also there, and software, CAD/CAM. It's a
So,
mixture of all.
AIMA or ACME participation at TIMTOS, how is it going to be helping the exhibition which is going to be happening in Chennai?
Yeah, basically, the Taitra, who are actually one of the organizers of Team Toss, they've been associating with ACME since long time. So we used to have pavilion, coming from Taiwan and different part of the world. So again, we want to reconnect with the Taiwan manufacturers to get more and more of their participation during ACME. But though, yes, definitely, we need to promote our Indian machine tool industry. But, at the same time, I think some of the for the manufacturing they require kind of a very precision machining. Especially the Taiwan is known for electronics, and where they have more on the robotics and automation, they work a lot of. So I think in future we're going to have bigger participation from Taiwan. So this is the main the intention of participating in it.